Filmmakers United is back! Yeah! Hey, I'm Mason, and welcome to Filmmakers United. That's fun abbreviated. Or FU. If you've ever finished a film and thought, what now? Or found yourself Googling words like film deliverables list at 2 a.m. and wondering why filmmaking suddenly feels like law school, you're in the right place. I'm an indie filmmaker. I wrote, produced, and somehow managed to sell my first feature film. A film we shot with only $11,000. And along the way, I made every mistake you can imagine. I asked dumb questions, I signed contracts I barely understood, and I learned pretty quickly that the hardest part of filmmaking isn't shooting the movie, it's everything that happens after. My goal here is to be the guy I wish I had back then.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Someone who explains the confusing stuff in plain English, shares the lessons I learned the hard way, and maybe makes you laugh a little while doing it. Filmmakers United is basically your free dictionary. Quick, no fluff videos where I break down the terms, contracts, and industry jargon that nobody bothers to explain. We're talking key art, distribution deals, E&O insurance, all the stuff that sounds boring, but can actually kill your film if you ignore it. I'll try my best to make each of my videos short enough to watch while your export bar crawls across the screen and clear enough that you won't have to Google the term ever again. This channel is for the DIY filmmakers, students, first-time directors, or honestly anyone who just wants to make movies without getting lost in the business side. Especially if you're doing it with little to no budget and can't afford to pay someone to do this all for you. If you got the passion, but not a roadmap, I've been there. And I'll not only give you the definitions, I'll share some of my own personal experiences so you can learn from my wrong turns instead of making your own.
All doctors to the ER.
And this is just the start. My dream is for Filmmakers United to grow into more than a channel. I want it to be a community where indie filmmakers can find answers, avoid scams, and feel like they're not fighting this battle alone. Because filmmaking, it already eats enough of your time, money, and sanity. You shouldn't have to waste those on Googling random definitions or hiring entertainment lawyers to answer those for you, if you can avoid it. So if this sounds like your kind of thing, hit subscribe, dive into the glossary, and let's figure out this industry together. I'm Mason, this is Filmmakers United, and hey, your film deserves an audience. Let's make sure it gets one.